Strength raised on open grass, steadied by the sun and the wind. Every step builds calm, clean muscle. In our hands, that patience becomes a cup.
On this farm in the heart of Australia, cattle are nourished with high-quality grain and fresh pasture. Every feed is measured, every pat.
Weight steady at 20 kilos even, I'll log it.
Trim's clean, I'll seal the next one in a minute.
Perfect, make sure the label shows the batch code.
Already on it.
Marbling looks good on this one.
Yeah, nice and even, vacuum's tight as well.
I'll mark it premium grade then.
Perfect, I'll log the batch and send it down the line.
Here, the intercostal meat is removed by sliding the boning knife tight along the rib bones. Each stroke follows the natural seam, keeping the blade
with its rich marbling and buttery tenderness. Loin, yielding a finely grained steak crowned with a silky fat cap. Chuck, robust and deeply flavored.
Nice steady draw, let the blade do the work. That's a 2-inch strip loin steak, see the fine marbling, slide it to the line. Short ribs go right between the bones, clean cut.
Hand-selected cuts, expertly trimmed, vacuum sealed at peak freshness. Export-grade Australian beef, raised on open grasslands and chilled.
From open pastures beneath the Australian sun, to careful feeding and stress-free handling, every step is guided by respect for the animal.